Treasury Department's paying out in your Tuesday pick. Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands Daily starts right now. Good morning, traders. Here's your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. I'm Joshua Stark. The Treasury Department on Monday launched its $350 billion program to distribute aid to state and local governments, giving the U.S. economy an added boost as President Biden sought to assure the country that stronger growth is coming. The aid is part of Biden's larger $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief package that became law in March. Administration officials said payments could begin going out to eligible governments, allowing state, local, territorial, and tribal officials to offset the economic damage from the coronavirus pandemic. More after this.
Research, fundamental experience, technical analysis, statistical probability. It's what sets us apart, and it's what will get you to stop watching and start living. Every day we track over 8,700 stocks to give you a list for over 131 disciplines and suggested entry and exit prices for each, not to mention how much we expect it to move on a daily basis. Stop watching and start living. Get started today at arbitragetrade.com.
Hit by a cyber attack, the operator of a major U.S. fuel pipeline said that it hopes to have services mostly restored by the end of the week as the FBI and administration officials identified the culprits as a gang of criminal hackers. U.S. officials sought to soothe concerns about price spikes or damage to the economy by stressing that the fuel supply had so far not experienced widespread disruptions, and the company said Monday that it was working toward substantially restoring operational service by the weekend. Your Tuesday pick offers a cloud-based suite of solutions for the public sector in North America. The company develops software technologies for the procurement and vendor or supplier sourcing industry in government, public sector, and various highly regulated commercial vertical markets. GTY, symbol GTYH, starts at $507 a share.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.